Hey, it's IT guy Sav with yet another IT video. If you watched my previous video, I did the unboxing of the iPhone 15 Plus, and in today's video, I'm going to complete that with a screen protector for the iPhone 15 Plus and a phone case. The case that's been tried and tested and that I use currently on my iPhone 14 Plus is JTech. It's the JTech cell phone case. That's what it's called. And the product does tell you that it's for the iPhone 15 Plus. The screen protector, on the other hand, is by Allen. It says glass screen protector. Okay, that's what it is, and it is for the iPhone 15 Plus. Both products are available on Amazon. You gotta check the pricing because the pricing does change quite frequently. So I won't state the pricing over here, but it's reasonably priced, both products. Screen protector, I use on my iPhone 14 Plus, and same with the case, I use it on my iPhone 14 Plus. And that's one of the reasons why both have held up really well. The phone case has minimal scratches when, I've tested other products, other phone cases, and they've got tons of scratches like in a span of a year, but this one has held up well. So JTech is the winner. Allen is the winner as well. It's protected the phone amazing. I've dropped it several times, but hey, this phone has stood the test of time because of this beautiful screen protector by Allen. Straight away go now to putting on these screen protectors. So I'll take it away. Alrighty, so here's my iPhone 15 Plus. Here's the screen protector. It shows easy to open. All right, that's what the tab shows. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna press this thing down. Okay, like so. Just press with your thumb. And there you go. Just punch it in, and then all you gotta do is just with your index finger, you could easily just open it like so with that tab there. All right, so that's done. Just pull this tab here like so, and okay. Beautiful. Making sure there's nothing stuck in the box. It's your screen protector. The good thing about this is it comes with several screen protectors. There's a dust absorber, guide sticker, and of course your guide sticker, dust absorber used to clear the dust on the screen. Okay, so we're going to use one of those. And these are, of course, in case you mess up or if you have several other phones, then you can always use these others as well. Okay, so I'm going to save these two. I don't need this screen protector. Okay, and this is just some screen. Okay, and this is the third screen protector that comes along with it. Like I said, in case you mess up or you have several iPhones, it's a very good deal actually for them to have 3 screen protectors in one pack. Okay. And of course, instruction manuals. I think this is what's that? What is halo effect? Well, you can always pause the video and read it. I'm not going to read it. And it comes with an kind of like an assistance case, so you just put it on top of here and it makes it easier, okay, to install it. These here are for the iPhone cameras, as you would have guessed. You also get some prep pads, and it comes with a microfiber cloth. The time to install the screen protector, this is what it is. And it also comes with a little case, okay, this is what it looks like. And you're supposed to put this case onto the screen, onto the iPhone, and just make sure it fits nice and snug. So that's how you're supposed to use it. But I prefer not using this because I feel it comes in the way sometimes, and it's only like if you're not able to get this aligned correctly. It comes with the prep pad, so I'm going to use one of the prep pads for it. Especially if your phone is not brand new, I would suggest you use it irrespective. Okay, whether it's new or it's not brand new, just use the prep pad. Make sure there's no dust or particles anywhere because you want it to be a good fit. Also, what I want to do is I want to use this microfiber cloth that's been included and just make sure it's nice and dry too, okay? Yeah, you don't want to use the sticky on something that's wet. That's the sticky side. The section here is the sticky side which goes onto the phone, okay? what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove it. Okay. It's just an air bubble. So those are things to watch out for. There's an air bubble in when you're putting in your screen protector. At that point in time, just make sure you try and press it down. Probably there was something on this case. I'm thinking maybe that's why it wasn't, because I tried removing it and I tried pressing it down too, but hey. Okay, so it looks like I had to take it out again, and it looks like there was a little bit of a mark at the back of the screen protector, and that's what was causing it to kind of like a dust or something. So using this little sticky thing to make sure, as you can see in the light, just using it to make sure, because obviously I don't want to be having that little spot, Let's put it back again, okay? Gonna try and see whether that fixed it. And as you can see, folks, I'm still holding on with my right fingers. I'm holding on to I haven't released it completely. Okay, I haven't released the bottom completely. I'm still holding on to it. All right, nearly there, folks. See, the one in the middle is gone. I just used the dust absorber. It's looking a whole lot better. So in case you come across something like that, use a dust absorber, okay? In case there's because obviously your phone is good, and the only issue is there was something on there was some kind of dust particle that was sticking to that screen protector. Perfect, look at that, folks, look at that, perfect. I'm so happy with this one. I'm just very particular. I just don't like having bubbles in the center. When you're looking at the screen, you're like, oh, what's that bubble doing out there, right? Yeah, I just want it to be perfect. All right, so that's good. It's good for me. So that's what it is. That's what it looks like, the screen protector. And like I said, in case you want, you can always use this. And if you feel like, oh, I can't get it right, but for me, I'm kind of good with just placing it above. But in case you feel like you need some assistance, this is more like a little bit of assistance, right? You just place it over here like so, and then you take it off once it's stuck, and then you pull it out slowly. You have to be very careful when you pull it out, because if you are a bit rough and you try and pull it out, you could also pull out the screen protector you just installed. You don't want to do that. All I need now is my JTech cell phone case. I'm going to install that. Okay, so my case comes nicely packaged. Oh, you know what? I have to show you something else. And I'm going to open it up. Okay. This is what it looks like. It's only for the camera. So again, what I need to do is I need to use the prep pads. I'm going to use one of these prep pads for the cameras. Just make sure it's nicely wiped down. So that's been pulled out, and this needs to match. This needs to go here. Okay, so like so. Remember this little dot, then this big circular, right? Little dot, big circle. So just make sure you get that right, and just put it on the camera. One like that, like so. Okay, so, and then of course, just like you're doing for the screen protector, it has a stickiness, as you can see it, and now it's stuck. Phone case. Take it out of the casing. This is what it looks like. Simple phone case, nice and durable. And all you gotta do is just place it onto it. Okay. Oh, perfect. There you go. It's all done. It's all placed, and So yeah, it's good. That's what it looks like. Turn the phone on. Nice. So that's how you install your screen protector. Okay, folks, so that's how you install the screen protector and of course your phone case as well. And I have a phone that's now protected, and look how beautiful that looks. This is the iPhone 15 Plus with the Allen screen protector, and you know, it's the same size, and that's one of the reasons why I like this phone case, because it doesn't make the phone any thicker, right? It's still the same, a little bit maybe, but it at least protects your phone and it's good quality. It doesn't get scratched easily. That's why I like the JTech and the screen protectors by Allen. So I hope you got some value out of this video and how, to troubleshoot in case you have some little dust particles. You don't know what's causing that little air bubble to be present, even though your phone has just been wiped and and cleaned. But there could always be something on the screen protector itself. So look out for that as well. If you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's the IT Guy Sav. And until next time, you take care, and hope to speak to you soon. Bye for now.